Part 3, saving and exporting to a looping BMP file. The third part in the simplifies. Did I have that saying simplifies last time? That's hilarious. Okay, that's the simplified series. We are going to pick up from where we left off. So whether you got here making a single frame image or the multiple image, what we do next is the same here for part 3. We're ready to export. We're going to image, flatten image. Well, we already did that, but you could always make sure you've done that. Here is where if you wanted to invert colors because you want it to look like this, remember it's going to be the opposite way on the OLED. So if you want it to actually look like this, you're going to want to invert it first. So, you know, select all and look up where's invert color. Let's see. That's the selection invert. That's color invert. Hey, look at that. So pick how you want it to look based on what you drew. That's that step. Next, save it as a bitmap. This is the key. This is the key. You come in here, you go to image, you go to mode. You're going to change it to indexed and make sure you check this. Use black and white 1-bit palette. And we convert. Now it's a happy camper for the OLED. And to make a looping BMP, we just do this. File, export as. So we go file, export as. And I'm going to make another folder in there called part 3, I guess. And in part 3, I'm going to name my file with an extension of BMP. So what is this clash? Let's call it clsh01.bmp. Great. And we're putting it in that folder and we say export. So you get a pop-up. Don't need to click any of these. Just hit export. There's your progress bar. We go to the folder. Here it is, part 3, clash1bmp. And as you see, it shows up the same as you saved it. But this is going to be backwards on the OLED. That's it. You can then take this file, copy it to your SD card, put it in the saver, turn it on. Good to go. Up next, part 4, making a single shot PBM that doesn't loop. This is a looping BMP. And it looks like this.